Hey everyone, it's your girl Layla. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today's video is really exciting for me because I have wanted this perfume for the longest time. I've wanted this since probably 2019. It was really popular back then and in a lot of niche perfume fragrance videos. It was a lot of people's top fragrance back then, and then it got discontinued and I went on this really long journey to try to find a bottle of it, and I almost bought it from this really sketchy website. Seriously, it was super sketchy. It was like European based. People sold yachts and like really high-end cars on there, and they had this perfume. And I'm not even kidding you guys, I was really tempted to buy it. It was also in like euros or something like that. So I didn't have to do any of that because they brought this perfume back. I don't know if it's not discontinued anymore, but it is back on the Lancome website. It is sold out currently. It is from their niche fragrance collection, so it's not just regular Lancome, you know, Trésor, whatever, like other scents that they have. This is part of Lancome's niche house of fragrances. So this is Lavandes Trianon from Lancome. I'm hoping I'm saying that right. I'm probably butchering it. I took 6 years of French and I still can't pronounce anything, so there's that. I opened the packaging just to see if the bottle was fine inside, that it wasn't destroyed or anything like that, because of course I ordered this from fragrancebuy.ca. So I ordered it from a Canadian perfume website. It is really reputable. I buy a lot of fragrances there. I buy a lot of niche fragrances there. So I think that's where I actually bought my Delina Exclusif as well. So they do have a lot of niche brands, a lot of designer brands. I am not sponsored by them, by the way. I'm just hyping them up because they're such a great company, and I was able to find this perfume that I've been looking for forever. So yeah, I'm not sponsored by them at all. I'm just, you know, throwing that out there. They're a really great company. They ship everything really fast and they come from Mississauga, Ontario, I believe. So I'm gonna open this now and I'm gonna try it out for the first time. So this is an unboxing slash first impression. I got this in the mail a few days ago. I actually got this for my birthday from Andy. He got this as my birthday gift because I mentioned that I really wanted a perfume. I was gonna actually go for the Maison Lancome coffee break one. That's the one I wanted, and then I saw that this one was in stock and I'm like, no, you're getting that one for me. So I got this in the mail a few days ago, and honestly it's taken a lot to not just rip this open and spray it all over myself. So the packaging of this is actually really pretty. It just says Maison Lancome Haute Parfumerie Paris. The box there. So yeah, this is definitely part of their niche fragrances. Oh my goodness, this bottle is so pretty. So this is what it looks like. I don't even know how many mils this is. This is 100 mil, so that's good. This retails for $220 Canadian, and on the Fragrance Buy website it's $225, I believe. That website can give you massive discounts on other fragrances, but this one, I think it's just because it's so rare that this was, you know, it's regular full price. So it does have some notes on here on the packaging. It says lavender, absolute, and vanilla. So it does have it written on the packaging itself. Can we just appreciate how beautiful this bottle is? It definitely feels like a niche fragrance classic bottle. It doesn't feel cheap at all or anything like that. Of course, why would it feel cheap? It was $225. The cap, I'm trying to see if I can smell it through the cap. The cap is really heavy, so that's that. It is a magnetic closure. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna test this out. So I'm gonna spray this on my arm and give you guys my first impressions of it. Like I said, I'm not gonna be able to tell you guys, you know, how long this lasts or how the sillage is gonna be or anything like that, because, well, I might be able to tell you how the sillage is gonna be in my mind, but I'm not going to be able to give you guys, you know, like a thorough review on this because this is just a first impression. So if you guys want a future video on this, please let me know, like an updated version. I'm just going to spray once. Oh, I definitely smell the lavender. I love lavender. I'm a huge fan of lavender. If you guys want to know what one of my favorite fragrances is, it's actually a really cheap lavender fragrance by Ariana Grande. It's REM. That one has a really pretty lavender note with cedar wood and everything like that. I wear that a lot to work. I'll kind of go over kind of my favorite fragrances while I'm reviewing this, because if you guys like similar fragrances to me, then you will like this one as well, you know? So I really like Victor & Rolf Flower Bomb. I know that one is super old. I love Delina Exclusif by Parfums de Marly. I love YSL Black Opium. That's another favorite of mine. And I really like Guerlain's Mon Guerlain. So that one is definitely lavender as well. This is just sweeter than that one, I feel like. Oh, this is a really nice winter fragrance. Definitely very comforting. I could see the sillage of this actually being really good and it being long lasting because it is a pretty heavy fragrance. It's not too heavy to where the point is that I'm sneezing right now, but it's actually a really nice. Oh, I'm just so like captivated by this fragrance right now. It's so beautiful. So it definitely has those lavender notes in there, but I feel like it's more like almost like a lavender cake / London fog. If you guys are a fan of London fogs, that's kind of the vibes that this is giving me. It's giving me comforting. It's giving me wintertime fragrance vibes. I would say this is a good date night fragrance. I would say this is a good fragrance to wear to sleep. If you guys are one of those people, I definitely wear fragrances to sleep. It just helps me kind of relax and wind down. REM is a favorite for that. Anything with lavender, honestly, it just makes me really relax. But I could see this actually also going pretty well as a work fragrance. It's not too much. I think that this is definitely a crowd pleasing scent. If you guys have somebody that you work with that really absolutely hates lavender, maybe not, but I feel like with the notes in here, with the lavender to balance it out, it also has a milk note in here. So with I think that's why I'm getting like lavender cake, London fog vibes with this. This is just a really pretty gourmand fragrance. I absolutely love it. I absolutely love this fragrance. So I will do a full review on this one if you guys are wanting me to in the future, to see, you know, as far as longevity, as far as if I really do end up loving it. But I do really love it. I could see this as being like a signature fragrance. I don't know why Lancome had ever discontinued this. This is just amazing. Okay, I'm gonna go into the scent notes from Fragrantica. I have a Fragrantica account if you guys want to see my kind of fragrance profile and the fragrance that I own, the fragrances that I want in the future. You guys can check me out on Fragrantica. I'll leave my link down below. So this fragrance came out in 2016. So the top notes in here are milk, vanilla sugar, vanilla. And then the dry down is Madagascar vanilla and lavender. So I think this perfume is just really nice and really well balanced. I like the sweet floralness of this fragrance. Like, it's not too floral and it's not too gourmand. So I think the notes in here work together so perfectly. So yeah, I definitely highly recommend this fragrance. And if you guys want to purchase it, I will leave fragrancebuy.ca's link down below. And I will see you guys soon in my next one. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below if you haven't already. I upload 3 times a week, Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.
Stay